Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. I'm a Nigerian American that currently vlogs about Nigeria, and right now I am in Ibadan. Today I wanted to give you guys another tour of an Airbnb in Ibadan. This one is a little bit better than the last one I showed, but then it also has some shortcomings that I think can be improved. But this one is much better. But first glance is the outdoor space. Let's check it out. You guys can see nice outdoor space area here. Alright, and then of course there's a security gate over there to access this estate. Let's go in and check it out. Hey guys, real quick, I have a goal of 10,000 subscribers this month and I need your help. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please scroll down and hit that big red subscribe button. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and your love. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of this video and I'll chat with you later. Bye. Alright, so as you guys come in, open space, very bare minimum, simple TV over there. And then there is an area here, which I think is supposed to be for a dining area. And there is a small fridge here that you can put stuff in. And then go into the kitchen, wide open area here. Cabinets. The only challenge and complaint that we have was that they didn't have any cutleries, forks, knives, cups, spoons. That was a challenge with this kitchen. But in general, it's simple, clean, good enough. All right, let's go check out the rooms. So they have a guest toilet here. All right. And then there is 2 bedrooms, one on the left, one on the right. Let's go to the one on the right first. So this is the one on the right. Again, very simple, has everything that you need. Toilet. And then let's go check out the other rooms. So I would say it just needs a little bit of like touch up in terms of the walls. And room number 2. As you guys can see, just small details in terms of the cleanliness of the wall. I think it probably needs to be repainted, but each room has an AC, which is good. Again, just minor details, finishing is good. And then the toilet is there. Here, separate shower over there. And that is pretty much the tour of this Airbnb. So now, let me kind of tell you guys the challenge that I have with this place. Although I met the host towards the end of the tour and he was very nice, but the number one challenge is that this is one thing that makes me appreciate Lagos a little bit more. I think the people that are doing it in Ibadan are still trying to learn this process. So, and what I mean by that is that there was no tissue paper in here, there was no towels, there was no cutleries, forks, knives, all of those type of things. And then the manager that the owner hired did not do a good job of staying on top of things. So she was actually asking us to pay for her to go buy towels. And she sent somebody to go get tissue paper and she said they couldn't find them. So I would say again, a mismanagement problem is what I keep coming across over and over again. Like people have these businesses, but they hire other people to run them, and the people that they hire are running it very poorly. And then also there's a lot of, visually speaking, there's a lot of scuffs and marks on the walls that I think can be improved. I talked to the owner about this, which was very good. He asked me on how our stay was and what I think can be improved. And I told him that a dining table would be good. Having basic things like towels, tissue paper, forks, knives, cups can be good. And all of those type of things. So I'm thinking in the nearest future, if I actually hire someone to manage an Airbnb for me in this axis, it's almost like I might have to require a follow-up every time that they clean to make sure that things are being done the way that I want it to be done for guests. But anyways, this is much better. The place is relatively kind of clean. It's bare minimum, but it gets the job done. The power was decent, 24-hour power, which was supplied by electric. The water was fine. Much better than the other ones. But other than that, I actually think this is decent. So we got this one for $65 a night in Ibadan. So that is another Airbnb tour. I hope that you enjoyed this tour. I'm hoping that the owner takes this constructive feedback into consideration, and if he does, when you guys book this place, it's actually decent. It's in Kolakbo Ishola Estate, which is a little bit more of an affluent estate. I think one of the governors live here. It's a gated security. The neighborhood is great. But again, these are just small changes that I think he would need to make to this Airbnb. So if you're ever in Ibadan, check him out. He's a very, very nice guy, and see if you can book his apartment complex. But I'm gonna put his link in this video. But before you book it, ask these questions of what I told him. Be like, hello sir, do you have this? Do you have towels? Is all of these things in place? And then if he says yes, I think it's a great place to book. All right guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.